So for our insulation project, we use potting soil with no worms. So for this experiment, we were supposed to supply composite material to maintain as much heat as possible, and it was supposed to be equal to or less than 1 inch of material. And then the idea is to be environmentally friendly, recyclable, and economical. So we used to put our potting soil in a Tupperware container so that we could put it on top of our box.
Here's some of our calculations. These are some of the more important ones. This one is the energy gained during heating in the box, and that was a pretty good number, 83.6 joules. And then during cooling, we lost close to what we gained during heating, so the net energy was 14.5 joules, which ended up being only 17.3% energy retained in the box.
This was a graph of our temperatures. So this is the outside temperature, where it stayed pretty steady most of the time, and then the inside temperature. This is the heating part of the experiment, and then when it goes back down, that's the cooling. And just some conclusions. Some things we probably could have done better is I couldn't find a container that properly fit over the foam box. We could have tried using worms, and we maybe could have added, I don't know, water and made the soil wet, or try packing it tighter to make it more insulated.
We also only heated our insulation for about 14.5 minutes, and then we cooled it for another 14.5, and maybe if we would have heated it more, then cooled it more, maybe we would have got better results.
But it was very economical, and it was also very environmentally friendly and recyclable.
All right. You could have got influenza A instead of influenza B also. That might have helped.